Next, we have an all-in-one live production solution from Epiphan called the Pearl Mini. Now, the Pearl Mini doesn't need to be bundled with anything, but it's a complete solution, so I wanted to put it up here on this show now because what the Pearl Mini gives you is it gives you encoding, it gives you streaming, it gives you playback of pre-recorded materials. It gives you the ability to switch from two sources, so I can bring in from a PowerPoint and from my live video if I want it. This is really good for educators who are looking to do a step-up job, or a church that wants to do a basic one or two camera shoot. It's great. You actually operate it from this screen as you go. So when you're talking about social distancing, I could have this operating with a PTZ camera, or a camera that's just set on me, and I could have some graphics and bring it all in, making it a complete solution. It's like a bundle all in one for $34.95. So we wanted to include that in this show. And of course, what can you bundle with it? PTZ cameras. We have a PTZ camera over here in this example from PTZ Optics. They sell PTZ cameras at a wide range of prices. We also have PTZ cameras from Panasonic and from NewTek themselves and from Bird Dog. And these cameras can be bundled with any solution, your existing solution, a Pearl, anything to get you up and going. So PTZ cameras, once again, in a world of social distancing, a PTZ camera does not require another person to be in the room with you. You can mount a couple of PTZ cameras, have a controller, and the person running the show can operate the cameras as well. Today's show, Adam's doing this as a one-man show today because we're using social distancing. Although we're open still, we're understanding that we're supposed to operate with less people, so that's what we're doing. So the rest of the video production team is actually remote, working from home, and they've been uploading the graphics and clips and everything we needed for the show. But Adam's here. Thank you, Adam, running the show today. So thank you, Adam, for coming in.